How do you make amazing titles for your YouTube video? Well, there's a tool that I want to share with you today that I use to craft amazing YouTube video titles, and it is easytwp.com. You can simply go to easytwp.com and go then to tools right here at the top bar and choose headline analyzer right here, and then you will find this page, and here you can analyze your YouTube video title. This is a great tool that you can use to make powerful, clickable titles that will attract millions of views on YouTube. Simply go right there and type a title, for example, for a YouTube video that you are thinking about. Let's say, for example, how to make a YouTube channel, right? And then you hit enter, and the tool will simply analyze your YouTube channel title and your YouTube video title right here and tell you if the headline is good enough or it is not good enough. There are plenty of things that you should look at in a YouTube video title. For example, if the word is balanced, if the words are balanced between emotion, common, and power words, you should definitely use power words and emotion words, words that provoke a strong emotion to people reading the title. You want your title to be interesting and engaging and provoke emotion, make the viewer question themselves. You need also a short title, basically up to 50 characters. Right here you can see how the title will appear. And you also want to have a combination of many different words: emotional, power words, and common words. For example, a power word could be how to make an amazing YouTube channel, right? That would be a great example. Here you can see in a power word you have how to and amazing. And the more power word and emotional word that you add to your title, it will make your YouTube video title greater and more clickable. If you write, for example, starting a YouTube channel, right, as a video title, here you can see that the overall score is way too low. It is red, 42 only. In comparison to previously, we had 93, which was much better. And if you use this tool, you can already see instantaneously if your title will do great or will do poorly. As you can see, we don't have enough words. The title is way too short to make it interesting, and it doesn't have any emotional word, 0%, any power word, 0%, and the number of characters is way too short. You want 50 characters maximum, but at least 40, I would say. Between 40 and 60 would be great. 50 characters is the ideal length for a YouTube video title, and this is a great tool that I use. This is a great tool you can use to start making great, better and better title for your YouTube video. I hope it was a very helpful video for you today, guys. Thank you for watching with me. Don't forget to click here if you want to see more tips on YouTube, and I will see you in this next video. Bye bye.